All right, this is Miss Joe. Can I say your last name or no?
Yes.
This is Miss Joe Green, Mrs. Joe Green. And can I give them a little background about your case?
Yes, please.
So, Joe came in this year and with chronic systemic lupus, one of the worst autoimmune diseases, also associated with some rheumatoid arthritis, right? Added on top of it, with a host of other problems. So, go ahead and tell our audience how you've done.
Okay, well, before coming to Dr. Frank, as he mentioned, I have systemic lupus, Raynaud's, and RA. I was on the decline and had nowhere else to go. I had been and had different treatments, unsuccessful with medication, and so I had the exosomes here at Dr. Lanzasera's office, and since then, I've not had any symptoms of lupus, no inflammation. Also, I couldn't walk up and down my stairs. I was in a debilitating life, and now I'm able to walk. I'm able to work out. I feel so much better. I don't have brain fog. Again, with lupus, having skin disorders, I have not had any skin disorders. With Raynaud's, I usually get cold and blue fingers. I haven't had any Raynaud's flare-ups. So the exosomes have absolutely changed my life, and I am able to walk down the stairs. Not only that, I'm back to doing gymnastics and ballet and leading an active lifestyle, but more importantly is that my brain, I had severe brainwave dysfunction, and I believe that the exosomes, along with some neurological feedback that I've done here and a program of just eating right, has changed my entire life. I have no fatigue, I have no brain fog, and I am able to function normally, and I got my life back. And I recommend the exosomes for anyone who just wants to get out of pain. It's worth it. I only wanted just to be out of pain, and now I've been given so much more back. I got my life back, and it's just pretty amazing
And
stuff.
the nurse practitioner performed your exosome treatment back right before Christmas,
Right before
December
Christmas,
19th. So
I
we're
had, yeah.
6 months out now, more than 6 months, and we're staying stable. And we also tested you for chronic low-grade food sensitivities to remove those triggers. We tested you for leaky gut.
Which,
So everything has come together and is so far so good, right?
it's been more than good. It's been the best, and from the bottom of my heart, I don't know what to say other than you have nothing to lose and everything to gain.
And Steve, would you mind saying something? This is her husband, Steve. And I always say, your spouse lives with you, so the spouse really knows what's going on.
No, just completely changed her in every way. Got my wife back. She was in bad shape. It was hours and hours of massaging her just to get her out of the bed in the morning. I mean, went through 5 years of it, and the month or so just before she did this, it was like the end. It seemed like she was just failing right and left. She couldn't do anything.
She was at her ropes.
She was at her ropes end. I was obviously, it was tough on me because I couldn't take care of business and anything. Now everything's changed, and not just back to normal, back to better than normal. And I myself have gotten them recently, and just a few weeks ago, and my ankles and knees are already just like they haven't been in years. And I have chronic ankle problems my whole life since I was 20 years old, and it's gone for the first time in my life. It's gone, and my ankles aren't swollen all the time. And mine's nothing compared to what it's done to her. It's just been an absolute miracle.
Right.
That's just it, an absolute miracle.
Well, thank you, Miss Joe. We appreciate this. This will probably help some other people, and we look forward to continuing to work with you to make sure you stay stable. And thanks very much.
Thank you so much.